trying to get under the key bridge.
I used to solo sail our old Cal 227, back when the Key Bridge was still standing. My solo sailing days ended in 2018 when we got blown away. She needed a proper slip and a real marina, and I needed help getting in and out. Earlier in the year, I practiced getting blown away in and out of the slip on my own. The other thing I did to get ready for today was to install a cam cleat at the base of the mast. So the whole reason to have done this is so when I raise the mainsail on my own up here, and I got a big coil of rope, big coil of line here at the base of the mast, I can just do that, and that will keep the mainsail up while I go and sort things out. So just a quick attachment point for raising the sail at the mast when you're single-handing. Up until now, though, I had never sailed her single-handed. It was time to untie the lines and take her out. Almost ran around, heading that way into the wind so I could raise it. Okay, well, sails are out, the wind hasn't filled in yet. Sails are up, just waiting for the breeze to fill in. With a 1.3 knot current, I was going backwards a little while ago. I think I'm like holding my place right now, so this is sailing fine. It's 4:08 and the 3 o'clock wind is just starting to get here, I think. So we are sailing. This is what I came out for, and it is lovely. Boy, it's kind of warm when there's no breeze and the sun's just beating down on you, but this is sweet. Now we have a breeze. Try to get these dolphins. You never can. Once the camera comes out, they go under. There's 3 of them at least. Cumberland Island over there, Atlantic Ocean down there. Trying to tack. Goes for clinch. Ocean that way. Better breeze going back. Very pleasant sailing. I have sailed what I can today. Moving at 2.5 knots. About ready to get back into the twisty turning of parts of Amelia River. So I'm going to bring the sails in. Start with the foresail. Get the mainsail down. I'm gonna go straight into the wind. I'm just gonna pay attention. Don't dare do more than that before checking. We're good. We're good for a bit longer. Under these conditions, man, I got all the time in the world to do whatever I need to do. Here's a question. Is he gonna dock like a boss or a moron? There's my bumper on the back. Got my midship cleat loop all set up on the outside of everything. And I'm just going to jump off, get close enough to jump off, hook that on the forward cleat, and then walk the boat back. There's the windsock. It suggests that the wind's going to push me against my finger pier, which is great, and that there's not much wind. I am in neutral. We're still going back, and that's good. I'm just going to walk it back. My goal is not to sail alone, but to sail with crew at any experience level, even if they're recovering from knee replacement surgery.